Let me ask you something. How many hours did you work last week? 40? 50? 60? I talked to a contractor recently working 17-hour days, up at 5 a.m., done at 8 p.m., sometimes later. And here's the problem. He's not even doing the work that makes him money. He's drowning in admin, chasing payments, trying to figure out which jobs fell through the cracks. Sound familiar? One company I know was losing $280,000 every month, not because they lacked work, not because their techs weren't good, but because estimates were getting approved and no one followed up to schedule and bill the work. That's invisible revenue loss, and it's happening in field service businesses every day. Here's what the fastest growing companies do differently. They don't rely on memory. They don't juggle sticky notes, texts, and whiteboards. They run everything through one system. Every call tracked, every estimate followed up, every job documented, every invoice sent and paid fast. They take payment at the door. They know their numbers in real time, and they don't work 16-hour days to make it happen. If you run HVAC, plumbing, electrical, or garage doors, and you feel like growth is getting harder instead of easier, it's not you, it's your systems. When you're ready to fix that, check the link and see what modern field service companies are actually using. Because running your business shouldn't cost you your life.